Looks like a diamond. Could be wrong. Some sort of crystal. Looks lovely anyway. Please comment what you think that is. It looks lovely anyway. It does. Wow, looks like a love heart and nice. Ha ha ha. I'll have to get a really good microscope so I can have a look right in them tunnels. A lot of ones. I need to look in them tunnels and have a look. That's that. Look at that. Isn't that amazing, that? Yep, I'll have to get a really good microscope. Little pencil in on that. Zoom right and eye. After this, I'll be ordering one. Look at that there, I could be zooming into. Gorgeous, isn't it? There's a few tunnels there, isn't there, to look in? Ha 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 ha. Hold on. Oh, that's one now, look at that. Oh, look at that, and look at them shining in there. Oh, I'll have to get a microscope to start tunneling in and looking in there. There's another one now, look at that. Oh. Wow. Look lovely, don't they? I keep saying it all the time, but they are. These are all found in the UK, these. Wow, look at that. See if I had a really good one. I could have zoomed in and had a look. Anyway, that's the one I've just done. And it's looking lovely, it's nice and flat. All them spheres there, look. Look at that in there. Just focusing a little bit. If it'll keep still, there's. There's the top bit. Oh, I'm going to have to get a microscope and tunneling on a few of these. Anyway, there you go. Oh. There you go. Meteorite, and that's how to show you what you can get. I have, look at that in there. There you go, look at that. Wow, it's like a crystal fat shooting there, isn't it? Yep, I'm going to be looking into getting a microscope and getting in there. Oh, well, I might as well. Oh, look at that, I could have been zooming in. Anyway, there you go. Keep saying that, don't I? Keep looking at it. Well, never mind. Oh, he's starting now. Anyway, there you go. That's it. Are you close up? Done nearly 10 minutes in that, looking at that. That was really interesting. It was. It was really interesting, that. Enjoyed that one. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Smash that button. See you later. Bye-bye.